Spampur. Spampur.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's get some work done so that we can...
Yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of.
Okay, so I'm a little confused. We put this whole thing on hold because we had other things going on in the garage. I opened the box. My daughter and I opened the box. And we decided it was going to take more than a minute and a half to put it together, so we parked it. This is what Spampur, or whatever the name is, Spampur sent us. And it's showing a rack. It's showing two end thingies. And some hooks across the bottom. So I brought it in, put it on my dining room table, opened everything up, and I'm supposed to have two of these. One, two, three, four. I'm supposed to have one of those. One, two. I'm supposed to have two of these. No. I'm supposed to have two of those? I'm supposed to have two of those. So this says. But I only see one here. I'm supposed to have one of those. Supposed to have one of those. That's what this little thing is here. So there's two of those. 6 hooks. We got 6 hooks. 12 screws. Got 12 screws. And a bunch of hardware with a wrench and tools in it, nuts and bolts. Although this, 12 nuts and bolts and 4 screws, we've got, there's got to be 8 in there. The only thing I don't see, they sent me 2 of them, but there's only 6 hooks. And this says put the, is it options? No, we need 2 of these. One end. So 2 to make the ends. 1 top piece. I don't understand this. If that's what it's supposed to look like, why do I have 4 ends? And 2 tops. 1 top, 2 fork things, 2 ends. And what is this? We'll get 2 of these. We'll get 2 of these. I appreciate the product, I do. I appreciate the opportunity to review it, but this is blowing my mind. I don't get it. Alright, let me put something together, see where we end up. Still having a little trouble here. It appears we have a hanging chad. I'll poke that out. Looks like I got 2 kits. There we go. I don't know. It's going. I mean, I'm building something out of it. Kind of like an erector set. Everybody played with one of those when they kid. This is what we got. so far. Okay, so there's one. In the picture, we see the short distance and then the long distance. And I could do that, but it didn't make any sense to me, because you want the big hole and then you want this thing to hang on the keyhole part. So these were cut upside down, or the picture was, maybe they assembled it upside down in the picture, I'm not sure. Actually it does, it looks like, if I could zoom in on this corner you'd see, it looks like the keyhole slot is down in this picture, so either it was designed wrong, built wrong in this, one or the other, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to keep plugging away here and see what we end up with. Okay, I've used up all but 2 bolts. It's wall hangers. We've got this literally paper thin wrench. Managed to utilize those. I don't know where these go. And this is what I've ended up with. I've ended up with a thing with holes here. There's holes up the top, hanging drills on. I don't know how I'm going to hang anything on that. I might have to put it in upside down. I think maybe this was made for the Australian market. I don't get it. I don't understand. Maybe, you know what I might do? I might take that shelf out, put it here, and then put this at the bottom of that so the drills can hang. Maybe that's how it was supposed to go to begin with. I don't know. But I'll tell you one thing. If you think you're going to come out of this without machinist fingers, you're mistaken. Yeah, I think I am. I think I'm going to... That would make more sense, right? Take that shelf and put it here. Put that on the bottom of that one. Basically swap the bottom. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to get some real tools before I do it, because my phalanges. Okay, that makes a little more sense to me. We got a rack, put screwdrivers, whatever. I don't know why you'd want screwdrivers on a drill holder, but they are, and pliers. And if you go by the picture, you need a row of tiny hammers. Goes in here, and they all line up. I don't know, but it seems to make more sense to me that have a few drills. They must have. If I find the kit, I think this is on Amazon. If I find the kit, I will put it in the description. I just want to thank Spampur for the gift. Appreciate it. I do. Not sure exactly what was going on there. I don't know. When I swapped the shelves out, this fought me just a little bit. Not sure where I'm going to put them yet, but it will be nice. I will be able to hang up my drill, my impact driver, and whatever else I end up with in the future, and can put the chargers on top. Maybe put the chargers on the shelf. I don't know. It's just so weird. I was trying to assemble this, and it's not. I mean, it's close, except there's 2 of them. And I mean, do these go in here? I don't know. Maybe they go in here like that. Maybe they go in here. I don't know. Well, hang on to them though. Maybe they go there. Alright, well, that's that. Be kind of cool. I had a dedicated charging station before. I mean, I've had them lined up on a shelf, but Never had them lined up on a rack, special rack on the wall. But yeah, I'll let you know when I hang them up. I'll show you where they end up. They'll get used somewhere.
Sure.
All right, we hung it up.
Okay.
We can only hang up one of the two because I don't have any wall space at the moment. We're going to work on that.
Yeah.
But we hung it up, and this is going to be good for hanging stuff up like
Look at
that. And then we can
And then-
we're going to put a couple screws in it, but I guess it would have to go this way.
Yeah. There you go. See?
Oh.
Look.
Yeah, we got, I was thinking next to the air compressor.
Yeah.
But the directions on this were not for this. I found it on Amazon, and it's the right one, but the directions show these little tabs are upside down. There's two of these racks. One here and one here.
Yeah.
But this shelf was up here because it was upside down, and I muddled through, and I managed to build it. But then I found it on Amazon, and it looked like that on Amazon. So there's a disconnect between the paper instructions and the product that people are buying.
Yeah.
So that's cool. We're gonna get this. We're gonna put a couple screws in that, and then we'll be done
Yeah.
with that. But I'm thinking the other one might. Maybe I'll put the other one over here, move these down or up, and then put the other one here, or
Yeah.
that way I can put like all these trucks and stuff. This would be perfect for the air tools. So I think, yeah, I think that the second one might go over here. So, all right, well that's Spampur. Spampur.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Don't look at me like that.
Let's get some work done so that we can.
Yeah.
Okay, normally this would be too wide, but it doesn't fit. So we're just doing the single. I haven't figured out what to do with this yet. Probably nothing because the door handle's there. On this side, I don't know. I've got my drill bits up here. Hopefully they stay put when the door opens and closes. And I only have the two. Only have the two Ryobi things. Oh, two battery chargers. This one I gotta try and fix. That one doesn't work at all anymore. But yeah, that's an awesome little organization thing. If I end up getting two more drills, or I don't know, maybe I'll get an electric ratchet or something. Whatever Ryobi makes, it'll fit in there. I tried to put the Sawzall in, but it was too big. It doesn't fit. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm thinking the next one might go over here to organize my air tools. It's been, the baby butt wipes container has seen better days. Maybe it's time to retire that and put the other half of that assembly on here. But yeah, pretty cool. If you want to get one of these for yourself, they are on Amazon. I have it's on a coat hook up here, and then I put two screws. It's on Amazon. I'll put a link to the Amazon product that you've probably already seen because I was talking about the instructions being a little weird. So yeah, Spampur, I guess, is the name. Pretty cool.